Ovum girls, take your number. Number 5. Incorrect. Bonus chance for Ovum girls.
B. Sodium.
Sodium is incorrect. The correct answer is copper. Ovum girls, take your number. In the board, you see it, D, calcium, sodium chloride. Which is the answer there?
C.
C? C is not correct.
B.
Is it Mayfair that answered B?
No.
Brilliant. Is it their bonus chance? If it's their bonus chance, they got it. An applause for them. Holy Brilliant, please take your number.
Number 8.
Number?
8.
8. Which of the following is not used as raw material in the solvent process? A. Ammonia. B. Sodium chloride. C. Calcium triazocarbonate 4. D. Sodium triazocarbonate 4.
A.
A is incorrect. Bonus to Mayfair.
C.
C is incorrect. The correct answer is D. Sodium triazocarbonate 4. Mayfair, please take your number.
20.
Number 20. Number 20 for Mayfair. The substance that is used in steel industry for the removal of carbon, sulfur and phosphorus impurities from pig iron is dash. A. Oxygen. B. Chlorine. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen.
Chlorine.
Chlorine is incorrect. Bonus to Ovum girls.
A.
A is correct. Oxygen. Bonus mark, 1 mark for Ovum girls. Ovum girls, please take your number. Number 21.
Yes.
Okay. A mixture of iron and sulfur can be separated by dissolving the mixture in dash. A. Steam. B. Dilute hydrochloric acid. C. Dilute sodium hydroxide. D. Benzene.
C. Dilute sodium hydroxide.
That is incorrect. Bonus to Holy Brilliant.
B.
B is correct. Bonus mark to Holy Brilliant. Please an applause for them. Holy Brilliant, take your number, please. Are you there? Bonus to Mayfair. Okay. Okay, please, they said I should repeat that question. Number 7. Sodium hydroxide solution can be conveniently stored in a container made of dash. A. Lead. B. Zinc. C. Aluminium. D. Copper.
Lead.
Lead is incorrect. Bonus mark to Mayfair.
Aluminium.
Aluminium is incorrect. The correct answer is copper. An applause for me. Mayfair, please take your number.
Number 17.
Number 17. Mayfair, your question. Wrought iron is the dash. A. Purest form of iron. B. Most brittle form of iron. C. Most impure. D. Form of iron containing no carbon.
A.
A is correct. 2 marks for Murphy. Girls, please take your number.
Number 9.
Number 9. Stages in the extraction of tin from tungsten include the followings, except dash. A. Washing with water. B. Crushing the ore. C. Smelting the ore. D. Electrolytic purification.
A.
A is incorrect. Bonus to Holy Brilliant.
B.
B is incorrect. The correct answer is electrolytic purification. An applause for me. Holy Brilliant, take your number.
Number 25.
Number
25.
25. Number 25. Which of the following metals is passive to concentrated triazole nitrate 5 acid? A. Iron. B. Tin. C. Copper. D. Zinc.
Copper.
Copper is incorrect. Bonus chance for Murphy.
Iron.
Iron is correct. Bonus mark for Murphy there. Murphy, please take your number.
6.
Number
6.
6. Murphy, number 6 question for you. Which of the following ions is discharged at a mercury cathode during the electrolysis of brine? Is it not what is on the board? Number 6, please. No, how much? Can you get me? It's not there. Please, may I take another number? I don't know. It's like we're having some problem with it. Take another number.
So I don't want to read number 6. We'll answer it later.
Okay, you can answer it. All right, take it. Which of the following ions is discharged at a mercury cathode during the electrolysis of brine? A. Sodium ion. B. Hydroxyl ion. C. Chloride ion. D. Hydrozonium ion.
A.
A is correct. 2 marks for Murphy. Please take your number.
Number 12.
Number 12. Number 12 question for girls. Most metals are malleable with high densities and have boiling and melting points except dash. A. Zinc. B. Potassium. C. Tin. D. Calcium.
Zinc.
Zinc is incorrect. Bonus chance for
C.
Holy Brilliant.
C.
C is incorrect. The correct answer is D. Calcium. Holy Brilliant, please take your number.
Number 27.
Number 27. Holy Brilliant, number 27 question goes thus. The alloy used for welding and plumbing contains dash. A. Aluminium and copper. B. Copper and tin. C. Iron and aluminium. D. Lead and tin.
C.
C is incorrect.
D.
Bonus mark to
D.
You say?
D.
D. What did you say?
D.
D?
Yes.
Okay. D is correct. Please, I beg of you to be very clear. Sometimes it doesn't get across to me here very well. So, Mefe, your number.
21.
21. (21) has been taken. We have 22, we have 18, 19, 22, 23, 24.
24.
24. Number 24 for question for Mefe. A brand of ink containing cobalt 2 and iron 2 ions can be separated into each component by dash. A. Chromatography. B. Crystallization. C. Evaporation. D. Fractional distillation.
A.
A is correct. 2 marks for Mefe there. Form girls, please take your number.
Number 18.
Number 18 is here. Form girls, your question. Which of the following transition metals is not attracted to external magnetic field? A. Copper. B. Iron. C. Titanium. And D. Zinc.
C.
C is incorrect. Bonus point to
A.
Only Brilliant. You said A?
Yes.
A is incorrect too. The correct answer is D. Zinc. Only Brilliant, take your number. Holy Brilliant.
Number 18.
18 is gone. We have 19, 22, 23,
19.
28, 26. You need 19. Okay. Number 19 question for Holy Brilliant. The structures of many enzymes indicate that they are proteins, which derive their catalytic ability from the presence of dash. A. Metal ions. B. Non-metals. C. Halogens. D. Carbon atoms.
A.
A is correct. 2 marks for Holy Brilliant. Mefe, please take your number.
28.
28. Mefe, which of the following alloys is mainly used in making statues? A. Brass. B. Bronze. C. Duralumin. D. Steel.
B.
B is correct. 2 marks for Mefe Academy. Obom girls, you are going to take your last question in chemistry. Please take your number. We have 26. Numbers 26. We have 22, 23.
26.
Okay. Obom girls, which of the following alloys contain iron? A. Brass and bronze. B. Soft solder and duralumin. C. Duralumin and steel. D. Steel and permalloy.
C.
C is incorrect. Bonus chance for Holy Brilliant.
A.
A is incorrect. The correct answer there is steel and permalloy. Another applause for me. Holy Brilliant, please take your number.
Number 22.
Number
22.
22. Okay, it's available. Electrolysis is applied to the following processes except dash. A. Electroplating. B. Extraction of aluminium. C. Extraction of iron. D. Purification of copper.
D.
D.
Yes.
D is incorrect. Bonus chance for Mayfair Academy.
A.
A is also incorrect. The correct answer is C, extraction of iron. Mayfair Academy, you are taking your last question in chemistry. Take your number.
Number 12.
Number 12 is taken. We have 11, 13, 14, 16.
16.
Okay. Mayfair Academy, the following are characteristics of the transition metals with the exception of dash. A. Variable oxidation states. B. Colored ions. C. Complex ions formation. D. High tendency to catenate.
D.
D is very correct. 2 marks for Mayfair Academy. And that will be all for chemistry. We are going to go over to physics. Physics. We'll start in the same order we've been adopting. In physics, we have questions from number 1 to 30. Please, girls, let's take off. Take your number.
Number 2.
Number 2. The resultant of two forces, X and Y, will be greatest when the angle between X and Y is dash. A. 0 degrees. B. 60 degrees. C. 90 degrees. D. 180 degrees.
A.
A is correct. 2 marks to girls. Holy Brilliance, please take your chance. Take your number.
Number 4.
Number 4. The distance traveled by a particle starting from rest is plotted against the square of the time elapsed from the commencement of the motion. The resulting graph is linear. The slope of the graph is a measure of dash. A. Initial displacement. B. Initial velocity. C. Acceleration. D. Half the acceleration.
B.
B. B is incorrect. Bonus for Mayfair.
D.
D. What are you saying? D.
D.
D is also incorrect. The correct answer is acceleration. An applause for B. Mayfair, take a number.
1.
Number 1. The dimension of force is dash. I want to believe you are seeing the options clearly on the board. So which of them is the correct dimension for force?
MLT raised to power minus 2.
That is very correct. 2 marks for Mayfair. Girls, take your number.
Number 5.
Number 5. A train starts from rest. It acquires a speed of 25 meters per second after 20 seconds. Total distance is dash. A. 500 meters. B. 31.25 meters. C. 300 meters. D. 250 meters.
C.
C is not correct. Bonus for
A.
Holy Brilliant. You said
A.
A is incorrect. The correct answer there is D, 250 meters. Holy Brilliant, please take your number.
Number 3.
Number 3. Two forces of magnitudes P and Q act at right angles to each other. If their resultant is 50 Newton and their algebraic sum is 70 Newton. The values of P and N respectively are dash. A. 60 Newton and 10 Newton. B. 55 Newton and 15 Newton. C. 45 Newton and 25 Newton. D. 40 Newton and 30 Newton.
Number D.
Did you say B?
D.
Please mention it very well. I'm getting confused. Is it B?
D.
B as in boy?
It's not B.
D as in day?
40N and 30N.
Very correct. 2 marks for Holy Brilliant. Mayfair Academy, please take your chance. Take a number.
6.
Number 6. An object is projected from a height of 80 meters above the ground with a velocity of 40 meters per second at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. The time of flight is dash. Take gravity to be 10 meters per second squared. A. 16 seconds. B. 10 seconds. C. 8 seconds. D. 4 seconds.
4. D.
Very correct. 2 marks for Mayfair Academy. Ovom girls, back to you. Take a number.
Number 10.
Number 10. 2 masses, 40 grams and 60 grams respectively, are attached firmly to the ends of a light meter rule. The center of gravity of the system is dash. A. At the midpoint of the meter rule. B. 40 centimeters from the lighter mass. C. 40 centimeters from the heavier mass. D. 60 centimeters from the heavier mass.
B.
Did you say B or D? Your time is going. Say so.
B.
B is incorrect. Bonus to Holy Brilliant.
D.
D is also incorrect. The correct answer is C. 40 centimeters from the heavier mass. Holy Brilliant, please take your number.
Number 12.
Number 12. Holy Brilliant, I think your question now. Number 12 for Holy Brilliant. An object weighs 10 Newton in air. When immersed fully in water, it weighs only 8 Newton. The weight of the liquid displaced by the object will be dash. A. 2 Newton. B. 5 Newton. C. 8 Newton. D. 10 Newton.
A.
A is correct. 2 marks for Holy Brilliant. Mayfair Academy.
Number 11.
Number 11. Which of the following is fundamental unit? A. Newton. B. Watt. C. Joule. D. Second.
D.
D is correct. 2 marks for Mayfair Academy. Ovom girls.
Number 16.
Number 16. Number 16 question for Ovom girls. Which is the frequency of vibration of the balance wheel of a wristwatch? What is the frequency of the vibration of the balance wheel of a wristwatch? Makes 90 revolutions in 25 seconds. A. 0.01 Hz. B. 0.04 Hz. C. 2.27 Hz. D. 3.60 Hz.
B.
D is correct. Full mark for... Clap for them now, it's not it. Full mark for Abom girls, right? Yeah. Only brilliant, take your number.
15.
Number?
Number 15.
15, 1 5. Take your number, Holy Brilliant. 15. A particle in circular motion performs 30 oscillations in 60 seconds. Its angular velocity is dash. A. 5 radians per second. B. 6 radians per second. C. 5 pi radians per second. D. 10 pi radians per second.
C.
C is incorrect. Bonus chance for Mefe.
4 radians per second.
You still have
A.
A is not correct. The correct answer is D. 10 pi radians per second. An applause for me, please. Mefe Academy, take your number.
4.
Number 4. Number 4 is not available. We have 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 17. 4 is taken.
8.
Mefe Academy, number 8 question for you. Reference to ability of an object to return to its original position after it has been tilted slightly is termed as dash. A. Stability. B. Equilibrium. C. Center of gravity. D. Turning point.
A.
A is correct. Stability. 2 marks to Mefe. Obom girls, please take your number.
Number 30.
Number 30. A long way. Obom girls. A machine is used to lift a load of 20 Newton through a height of 10 meters. If the efficiency of the machine is 40%, how much work is done? A. 80 joules. B. 500 joules. C. 300 joules. D. 120 joules.
D.
D is not correct. Bonus chance for Holy Brilliant.
C.
C is not correct. The correct answer is B. 500 joules. An applause for the quiz master. Holy Brilliant, take your number.
Number 18.
Number
18.
18. When taking a penalty kick, a footballer applies a force of 30 Newton for a period of 0.05 seconds. If the mass of the ball is 0.075 kilograms, calculate the speed with which the ball moves off. A. 4.5 meters per second. B. 11.25 meters per second. C. 20 meters per second. D. 45 meters per second.
D.
D as in day?
Yes.
Incorrect. Mefe Academy, your opportunity for a bonus mark.
D.
D is incorrect.
It says D.
You said D.
Yes.
Is still incorrect. The correct answer is 20 meters per second squared. An applause for the quiz master. Mefe Academy, take your number.
22.
Number 22. The quantity of heat required to change the temperature of a unit mass of a substance by 0 degrees centigrade is called dash. A. Heat capacity of fusion. B. Specific heat capacity of vaporization. C. Specific latent heat. D. Specific heat capacity.
D.
D is incorrect. A bonus chance for Obom girls.
C.
C is correct. Bonus mark for Obom girls. Obom girls, please take your number.
Number 10.
Number 9.
10.
10. 10 is gone. We have 7, 9. We have
Number
7.
9.
Okay. A metal block of mass 5 kilograms lies on a rough horizontal platform. If a horizontal force of 8 Newton is applied to the block on the platform, then the coefficient of limiting friction between the block and the platform is dash. A. 0.16. B. 0.63. C. 0.80. D. 1.60.
A.
A is correct. 2 marks for Obom girls. Holy Brilliance, please take your number.
Number 9.
Number 9 is gone. We have 7.
7.
We have 7, 13, 14. 7. Okay. For a projectile, the maximum range is obtained when the angle of projection is dash. A. 60 degrees. B. 30 degrees. C. 45 degrees. D. 90 degrees.
45 degrees.
45 degrees is correct. 2 marks for Holy Brilliant. Mayfair Academy, please take your number.
8.
Number 8 is gone. We have 13, 14, 17, 19, 20, 21, 23. Take your number now.
19.
Okay. Mayfair Academy. When we kick a stone, we get hot. Which of the following concepts is responsible for this? A. Inertia. B. Reaction. C. Velocity. D. Momentum.
Reaction.
Reaction is correct. 2 marks for Mayfair Academy. Obom girls, please take your number.
Number 3.
Number 3 is gone. We have 13, 14, 17, 20, 21, 23.
21.
21. A plane inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal has an efficiency of 50%. The force parallel to the plane requests to push a load of 120 Newton uniformly up to the plane is dash. A. 60 Newton. B. 100 Newton. C. 120 Newton. And D. 200 Newton.
C.
C is correct. 120 Newton. 2 marks there for Holy Brilliant. Obom girls rather, sorry. Holy Brilliant, please take your turn. Take your number.
25.
25. Okay? Light waves can be polarized as they are dash. A. Transverse in nature. B. Of high frequency. C. Longitudinal. D. Reflected.
A.
A is correct. Transverse in nature. 2 marks for Holy brilliant. Mayfair, please take your number.
30,
30 is gone. We have 24, 26, 27, 28, 29,
26,
26. Mayfair. An object is placed in front of two plane mirrors, inclined at an angle theta. If the total number of images formed is 7, find the value of theta. A, 30 degrees. B, 45 degrees. C, 51 degrees. D, 90 degrees.
B.
B is correct, 45 degrees. 2 marks for Mayfair Academy. You are going to take your last round of questions in physics. And that's going to be the last question in the first round. Obam Gears, please take your number. We have numbers 24, 27, 28, 29, 23.
29.
Marching soldier. Marching soldier. Crossing a suspension bridge marching soldiers crossing a suspension bridge are usually advised to break their steps to avoid damaging the bridge owing to dash. A, resonance. B, swimming. C, vibrations. D, oscillation.
A, resonance.
Resonance is correct. 2 marks for Obam Girls. Holy Brilliance, please take your number. We have numbers 28, 27, 24.
28.
Okay. Holy Brilliant. The phenomenon that makes sound persist when its source has been removed is known as dash. A, acoustic vibration. B, refraction. C, echo. D, reverberation.
D.
D as in day. Is it day or B?
A.
You are changing yourself. Take your day. Okay. D, day is correct. Reverberation. Please, you can use some other things to let me know so that I don't keep like boy or car, especially between B and D. Okay, that was Holy Brilliance, right? Mayfair Academy. Your last question. We have numbers 24, 27,
27,
okay. Which of the following optical instruments does not make use of a lens? A, projector. B, eye. C, periscope. D, telescope.
A.
A is incorrect. Obam gets your chance for a bonus mark.
C, periscope.
Periscope is correct. Bonus mark for Obam girls. That's the end of round 1. You may rest a little. Take your water. Relax your nerves.
Obam Girls High School, Obingwa. Holy Brilliance College, Alayi, Bend, the local government area. Mayfair Academy, Umuahia.